Meaning of grizzled.
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 Grizzled. The term grizzled is an adjective used to describe someone or something with hair, fur, or feathers that are streaked with gray or white. It can also be used to describe a person who has a rugged, weather-beaten appearance due to age or experience. Grizzled is often associated with wisdom and toughness, as it suggests a person or animal that has seen and survived many challenges. The word carries connotations of resilience and endurance, and is often applied to characters in literature and film who have faced significant hardships in their lives.